Hi everybody, this is basically part two, I guess you would call it. This is the car. I'm going to be taking the motor out to go to this little booger over here. Get this car a little more dialed in. We're taking the 23cc out of here, and with all the special gearing, of course not the rear end, it's not going to come out. You know, the one that's there is going to stay in the car, and I'm going to be using the conversion kit in order to turn this motor sideways. And I think I'm probably going to use the gas tank that came in the car. It's a little smaller, but I think it'll fit better, so we're going to try that route. So just going to stand by, and then once I get it out, we'll just continue from there. Okay guys, I took apart the motor. A little difficult. I was able to get the 2-speed out complete. One big section, which is not too bad, because you just got to take off the one from here, the 3 on the top, and loosen the screw here, and the whole thing just pops out, and you can have the whole 2-speed where you don't have to re-put it together again. Okay, the next thing would be, I already took up these screws, and what this is going to do is going to be able to take the motor, right, and put it from a straight position, which it is now, have it all loose here so you can see it, and able to turn it. So this motor would come out, this piece would come out over here. Get rid of that one. Then you'd have to put in the one that goes for the top to turn the motor. Since the motor is going to be tilted to the front, should sit. Let me see which way it's going to sit. Okay, guys, I finally got it inside. It's just a little mock-up. Still got to take this piece, turn it around. That would be like the amount of tilt. This will be flat, like where I put on the camera. That's the amount of tilt it's gonna have. Exhaust is gonna go on this side, which I do have a couple. I just gotta see which one is gonna fit. And pretty good, everything works out. I do have an exhaust for it. It's in the other box over there. And then once I get that, the clutch, everything put back on, then slide on the good old 2-speed, complete. Also the clutch, these look pretty good. I gotta check them. That might be just fine to start. If I got another new pair, I'll put them on. But I think I'm gonna go with this and see how it goes. Thanks. Hi everybody, this is where we're at right now. The motor's just test fitted in with the 2 speeds, not bolted in yet. Have I guess the angle is right. Put in the kit, tilted it forward. Still gonna make a back mount. Not too sure how to do that. I figured out with the old mounts just to get it to go. But that's where I'm at right over here. Next thing to do, I think, is gonna make sure I get the gears done correctly. Change the gear in the rear. Replace this gear, comes out the back. Still leave it loose. Then start working on the exhaust to bring it up. And we'll see how it goes from there. Doing this bit by bit for you guys. This is where we at. You know, trying to get it done. Still got to put a metal bar over here so I can pick up the car through the window. You know, so far looking so good. This is where we're at. It's got lining the little hose up. Anyway, you know what I mean. Goes this way, then the front brakes are done. Gotta put the rear, look up how to do, you know, the braking system, and, you know, of course, put the gas tank in. Talking about the gas tank, particular gas tank, we have to get the little one and put that one in as well and see how it goes. All right, so see you later.